you shouldn't let your overthinking stop you from things that you actually want to do. Diba? Sometimes you just gotta go with it.
Yes.
Then you'll just learn it after. Diba? Make the mistakes.
Yes.
And sa mga listeners natin, sa mga ka-worthy natin na yung iba dyan gusto din mag-start ng content.
Yeah.
This is proof, naririnig nyo mismo kay Rika na it doesn't have to be perfect sa unang upload nyo. Kasi yung mga pinapanood nyo rin naman, may time na nagsimula lang din sila before, di ba? So just do it anyway.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon, puntahan naman natin yung pag-start niya ng content
Oo,
creation.
siya na.
Actually, no. Puntahan naman natin yung business.
Super dami na.
Talaga. Ano talaga? Ipasok na natin dito yung, Rika, kamusta naman? Di ba? I heard that you started Kayo Beauty, a business with Bernos, Kaya Pierre. Yes, actually. Oh my gosh. I'm so surprised that, Laro.
Sige, let's focus on that
Yes.
first.
May maganda akong lesson dyan.
Okay.
I had this dream. I had a dream. Nagkaroon ako ng meron akong dream to put up my own beauty brand together with Ahin and Kai. And we did. We put up Kai Beauty. We released lipsticks and maraming learnings on like the business aspect on like how to build a brand. But I think when it failed, a lot of people, syempre, was like, hindi naman ako nagulat na nag-fail ang Kai Beauty, whatever, diba? Okay lang naman. We were privileged enough we made a mistake and we survived even though that business flopped, diba? But siguro ang learning ko rin doon, or like something that I want to pick up from that experience was that we had a dream and we went for it. Even if it failed, at least masasabi ko sarili ko na ginawa ko siya.
True.
Kesa naman all my life, I will always think na parang, what if ginawa ko to? Parang, diba?
Yeah.
Parang, we took the risk. And in business, there will always be risks talaga. So, even if it flopped, I'm happy na we released lipsticks that a lot of people also actually liked. So, proud ako sa sarili ko na for someone na professional stay-at-home daughter, nagawa ko yun. Parang with no experience at all. Slay.
It was a slay. I really loved your shades, no? For a time, gamit na
Even the
gamit.
finish. So parang for me, even though it flopped, yung parang for me, the mere fact that we went for it, despite all the odds against us, diba? And the odds won.
Yes. Not all people try.
Yeah, not all people try. And sometimes, diba, yung pag-overthink nila, they wanted to be perfect, would stop them from trying out that dream.
Yeah. And to even just get it out there. I mean, I don't think, it ended. Like, gusto ko yung,
sasabihin ng mga ibang tao, di sana in-overthink nyo, di para hindi nag-flop, diba? Ang say ko doon, ano naman?
Exactly. How would they know naman? Paano na malalaman yun? That's true. So yun, hindi mo siya masyadong like, would you say that was an impulsive thing? Or like you worked towards that?
It was impulsive because we wanted to release it right away without even thinking about meticulous planning. So in fairness naman, we planned the lipsticks. Like talagang pinagtsagaan namin yung lipsticks na yun. But in a brand pala, dapat pala may yun, diba? May pipeline yan of the next product, ganon.
As yung lipstick.
And then, yung naubos na namin yung lipsticks, first order ng lipsticks. Meron na kami next product. But we're like, parang we need more time to produce the next product. What if we just reorder the lipsticks again? Hindi na namin mabenta yung bago namin reorder ng lipstick. At mas nagmahal pa yung reorder nun. So basically, naubos namin yung first MOQ na 6,000 lipsticks. And then the next lipsticks were like 9,000 na ata. Kasi 1.5 increase. And then, like, we had no money na for we didn't want to shell out more money for the next product.
Right.
But like, we were like, why did we reorder the lipsticks na parang sana hinayaan na lang natin na wala pa tayong product and we just worked on the next product.
I see.
Kasi I was thinking, gumagalaw naman yung lipsticks. Sobrang mabilis na ubos yung 6,000. We can probably sell the 9,000. Ang bagal. As in like parang, oh my God, girl. It's not, like parang everyone na client namin, nabili na yung lipstick. So parang we can't get new customers for the reorder. That was an impulsive decision to reorder the lipstick.
Yun ang pinaka-impulsive sa part na yun.
I learned another lesson. Impulsive pala talaga ako.
Dito niya nare-realize.
Pero capturing it and taking that moment na parang, okay, yeah, that didn't work. But then, important din naman talaga yung also having that safety, that privilege, and acknowledging that, syempre. Kasi important din naman siya. Pero, like you, for whoever, parang kasama talaga siya.
Yes, it's
these
part of it.
decisions. And at least you did it. At least you made that dream come true.
Yes, and the lesson there is, don't start a business.
Yun talaga?
Hindi.
Iba naman, try again and do different things. Pero how about, actually, tinanong mo na rin about the content. Like,
Oh,
you were
yes.
already guiding your friends, your asawa to do that.
The perfectionist asawa way,
Oo.
di ba? Si partner.
Yes, but for you, jumping into that, naging baby girl na siya. But you, like, let's rewind to that time na nag-decide kang gawin yun. What were you doing before you decided to jump into content creation also?
I was a professional
Yun na yun
stay-at-home daughter.
Yes.
No, I was a makeup artist.
Okay, yes.
Yeah, so I studied makeup in 5 makeup schools kasi best in studying talaga ako.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
And then I did nag-freelance makeup artist ako for like a bit. Yun lang.
Pero how was the decision like? Parang ano ba, like, naisip
Try ko
mo,
lang, ganyan,
parang
for fun.
bukas gusto kong
Kasi, okay, I graduated college 2015.
Okay.
Jumowa ako. So sabi ko, shit, dahil may jowa ako, parang hindi ako pwede mag-work. Kasi pag mag-work ako, hindi na kami pwede mag-usap. Kasi busy ako.
Okay. Makes sense. Nakakaano naman ng oras ang pag-work, yes.
Kasi
Therefore-
LDR din yun.
Ah,
yun
okay.
pa.
We were planning like go around the Philippines kind of thing.
Okay, hindi mo kaya nga
So sabi ko,
mag-office niyan.
oh my gosh, so lilipad siya dito next year. So dapat hindi ako mag-work this year.
Mm-mm.
So hindi ako nag-work.
She's a
Hindi ako
planner.
nag-work. So yung lipad siya, ikot-ikot kami ganun. Then nag-break kami. So parang, oh my gosh. What will I do? What will I do? Naghanap ako ng work.
Okay.
And then yung naghanap ako ng work, I worked for Happy Skin Cosmetics, Assistant
Yeah.
Operations Manager
Aw.
for 3 months.
For 3 months.
Yes.
As an employed girlie.
3 months. And I'm sorry, Miss Jack. Kasi parang 2 months ating turnover, 1 month yung work, tapos nag-resign na ako. Sabi ko,
Okay.
I don't like working, no?
You tried.
Kasi ako talaga, pag binibreak upan ako, or when I'm going through something, I have to learn something new. Parang to learn to love
That's
myself
how you
more.
feel.
Parang,
Okay.
oh my gosh, kaya ko pala mag-work, kaya ko pala magganto. So like,
Okay.
at that time, that boyfriend taught me I can look for a corporate job
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
for 3 months.
She did.
Yes, I
She did that.
And then yung parang, okay, over na ako sa ex ko kasi ang stress ko yung trabaho, resign.
Oo, okay,
I'm
she's
okay
done
na.
with that. Oo.
I'm healed. Amen.
Amen. And then you went into makeup
then-
school?
Hindi.
Hindi
Jowa na naman ako.
Okay siya.
Okay.
Jowa na naman
Jowa number
ako.
2. Okay.
And then, iniwan ako ni Jowa number 2. Sabi ko, oh no. What
Ano?
can I do now? I don't
Okay.
like working.
Okay.
Nag-makeup school ako.
Makeup school.
Ayun na yun. And
Okay,
then,
okay.
nag-freelance makeup ako. And then, nag-pandemic na.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
Siyempre, hindi ka makapag-makeup. And then,
And
why
then,
did
during the pandemic, naging content creator na ako. So, no need to be a makeup artist anymore. I can be a content creator.
Okay. So, ang
Ang
dami
saya ng life ko, no?
Diba?
Saya.
Ang nga eh, ang dami kong bad decisions.
Hindi naman. It took you to where you are right now.
Yes.
Yes, but at the same time, I really paused my life for a guy, no? Talagang hindi ako nag-work, no? Kaya nung after ko mag-graduate, di ba? 1.5 year ako hindi nagtrabaho. Hindi ako naghanap ng work. So, naghanap na ako ng work nung after ni Jowa. Wala na nag-accept sa akin. Kasi anong ginawa mo since you graduated? Jumawa.
Hindi mo naman pwede ilagay yung sa sa CV mo, no?
Diba?
Explain this gap year. Oh,
Exactly. That was my experience. Explain this gap year. Sabi ko talaga, you know, I went around the Philippines. I break muna, ganon.
po.
Laro talaga. Isang malaking laro. Tapos kahit yung makeup school ko, syempre lahat ng mga classmates ko doon, yung first day, parang
Okay.
gusto ko maging makeup artist, gusto ko maging bridal artist.
Okay.
Ano sila yung introduce yourself.
Mm-mm.
Hi, I'm Rika. I'm here to learn makeup kasi brinake-upan ako ng jowa ko.
At least very honest.
At gusto ko lang, I honestly just wanna learn how to put makeup on myself.
Okay.
Pero kasi yung classes nyo na ganon, 1 day lang. Yung yung makeup classes na pang self, 1 day lang. Sabi ko, hindi naman ako makaka-move on in 1 day, di ba?
Okay.
So dito na tayo sa 3 weeks na class.
Okay.
A new commitment,
Yeah.
kumbaga.
O, di ba? Tapos after 3 weeks, ako, hindi pa ako naka-move on. Hanap tayo iba pang makeup school.
Okay.
Okay.
Then hanap tayo ng hair school.
Okay.
Then enroll tayo sa 3-month school na makeup school. Nakakatawa talaga.
Habang nagmo-move
Ganon
on
siya
na. So, ito
naging
yung
Yes,
nag-move
but my dad was like, she wants to work. I will support her because kesa naman professional stay-at-home daughter siya, di ba?
Okay.
I will support your education. Ganon.
Para sa work na gusto niyang ma-experience.
Yes.
We
para
love
maka-move
that.
on
Yes.
also.
Then my dad was like, gusto mo ba magtayo ng makeup school? Ganon.
Ganoon ka-supportive si
Mm-mm.
Dad.
Kaya, magturo ako makeup kasi nga, dami ko na best in aral na ako. Siguro naman pwede na ako maging teacher, di ba?
Daming certifications.
Naalima na eh. Oo.
Was that ever something that crossed your mind then?
That was a dream that became Kai Beauty.
Okay.
Okay.
Labas naman siya doon. Oo.
Magulat na tayo after this episode, may makeup school na si Rika. Dito niya na-realize sa episode na, wait, parang gusto ko.
If this episode made you reflect on your own life decisions, then maybe it's time to ask yourself the same question. Yung mga choices mo, career moves, love life, big risks, or even those random impulsive decisions. Worth it ba talaga? If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to search and follow Worth It Ba on YouTube for the full episode. And if you have your own Worth It Ba moment, share it with us in the comments. Because at the end of the day, every choice comes with a story.